Hey there, welcome back to Ferrer Digital Marketing. In this video, we're answering the top questions about our copywriting services, what it is, why it matters, and how we can help your business communicate more effectively. Let's dive in. What is copywriting, and why is it important for my business? Copywriting is the art of writing persuasive text for marketing. It's essential for getting your message across, keeping your audience engaged, and driving conversions that matter. How can Ferrer's copywriting services benefit my business? Our copywriting can help you build brand awareness, connect with your audience, increase conversions and sales, improve your SEO rankings, and maintain a consistent, professional brand voice. What types of copywriting services do you offer? We offer a full range of services, including website copy, SEO-optimized content, social media writing, and ad copywriting for all platforms. How do you ensure the quality and effectiveness of your copy? We follow a proven process. Start with deep research into your brand and audience. Craft tailored strategies for your goals. Write unique, original content. Review and revise carefully. And track performance to improve over time. Need help finding the right words for your brand? Contact us today or keep watching this playlist to explore all our digital marketing services. Thanks for watching and welcome to Ferrer Digital Marketing.